Let's go ahead and put the pleats on the sleeves, and then let's see how it comes out. So I have it on the bottom of the sleeve, and I have it right here on the seam. So I'll go ahead and get started, and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to cut off the excess, and then we'll join it. So I have it sewed on. I'll have to tack this down right there. And that's what the inside looks like. And then I just have to get the other one done. And then I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll start on the hem and add some ruffles there. And we still have to do the collar. So I hope you join me. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.